Hello, bowling fans, and welcome to the Tenpin Puzzler set. This month's Tenpin Puzzler rules question comes from Lewis in Florida, who asks, we have a player that consistently runs out every shot by crossing multiple lane approaches. Can this action be counted as a deliberate foul if there is another bowler on the approach in that adjacent lane? And can a foul also be called if no bowler is on the approach? Another question would be if a bowler drops a towel that is placed on their shoulder over the foul line. Would that be considered a foul? Nice job, Lewis! You hit the trifecta of foul questions in one submission. Let's first start by looking at the definition of a deliberate foul. According to Rule 5b, when a player deliberately fouls to benefit by the calling of a foul, the player shall be credited with 0 pinfall for that delivery, and not allowed further deliveries in that frame. Next, according to Rule 5a, in order to foul, a part of the player's body must encroach on or go beyond the foul line and touch any part of the lane, equipment, or building during or after a delivery. Taking the two definitions and applying it to your situation, as long as the player does not cross the foul line when running out the shot on adjacent lane approaches, it would not be considered a foul, and therefore cannot be a deliberate foul, regardless of whether any bowlers were on those adjacent approaches. In addition, a towel is not considered a part of a player's body and cannot cause a foul. And while it can be annoying to have a guy running out shots like it's the US Open TV Finals during League, you can't ask him to mark it 0 like John Goodman's character in The Big Lebowski. And that's this week's 10-Pin Puzzler. This is PB Atkinson reminding you that if you have a rules question that you'd like us to answer on the show, email me at pbatkinson@bowl.com with 10-Pin Puzzler in the subject line. And if we use your question on the show, you'll receive an official autographed copy of the USBC playing rules.